What's up guys, welcome back to another video. This is just an update video letting you know where the car is at so you guys can keep track of this as much as I do. So let's bring you in a little, or bring you out and show you what's going on with the car. So I've got a new hatch. I have not picked it up yet. I spent 50 bucks on it. I actually verbally committed to a friend of mine who has a black one, but the new one is actually not paint corrected, but paint matched to this car. And it actually has the factory lip on it, which I'm not excited about because I like the clean look. I don't know, just something about that clean look. It's clean. It does not have glass, so I have a glass company that's going to be removing that and putting it in the new hatch. I did get hatch struts for this, so now it opens up easily. Closes very difficult because these hatch struts are a high performance version and they have a lot of pressure, high pressure, not in high performance. They're high pressure, so it takes a little bit of force to close it. Those hatch struts right there, they are money, and they were like 20 bucks for the set. I'll drop a link below. I got them on Amazon. If you guys follow me on Instagram, then you'll know I got plastics put in the trunk finally. And well, let me change the settings on this so you guys can see it. All right, let's try this again. So I got all the plastics in, everything from the strut tower brace, the underside of the hatch. I've got, let's see here, the carpeting on the side here. I do have the foam insert here. A friend of mine that actually has the hatch that I verbally committed to has the foam on the left side and the mat. So that'll be perfect. It's coming along, it's coming along. I do need to grab one of these lift springs or hatch springs, whatever you want to call them. Oh, this thing is hard to pull down, like stupid hard to pull down. Oh God. I got the HR Nismo hood put on finally. I don't know why they put a Nismo badge on this. It did come off a Nismo HR, but why badge it? That's kind of stupid. So I need to get that off and get the adhesive off. I got the HR OEM clear style headlight assemblies in, and for some reason, if you guys look at that glass bowl there, you see how it's kind of pivoted to the right? I don't know if I need to reposition it or that's just how it is. I don't know. I just noticed that. And yeah, the coating on the inside is kind of peeling on the black. Eventually I'll get the black housing depots, but the clears, they do it for me right now. This one's in good shape as well. They need to be really sanded down and re-cleared. They kind of have like a yellowish tint to them in the sunlight. I've got an HR front bumper over here. If you guys are near me, don't come steal this because I actually stole this for a crazy deal. So everything's here. The bumper splitter things are there. The amber corner pockets. There's no dents, no major scratches. A little bit of paint cracking here and there, but I stole this for 40 bucks. I'm not kidding. And everything is there. So even came with a badge. So I'm stupid hyped on this. Super stoked that I stole that basically. And the guy knew it, and he had an HRZ. He put a Nismo front end, replica front end on it. I've got fenders inside that are just OEM DE fenders. DE and HR fenders are identical, nothing different. The factory ones obviously have the holes from the quick release. Ironically, that bumper has quick release on it as well, which is mainly why I was trying to get a new bumper, but that's a HR bumper. It looks a lot better, more aggressive in my opinion. So I'm gonna have a friend of mine put the new front end on and paint match it to the vehicle. I did get new wheels since then. These are a TE37 replica because I'm not spending $3-4 grand on TE37 Authentics. It's just not happening. The rears are a 19 by 10.5 plus 22 with a 295/30. The fronts are a 19 by 9.5 plus 22 with the 255/35. So the fronts, I can probably put a 10mm spacer on it, but it looks decent. It looks pretty good. Gotten a lot of compliments on it, and that's how I'm gonna probably gonna drop it. Put a set of lowering springs, the Tanabe NF210s. I'm trying to figure out what the difference between the NF and the GF210s are. If anybody knows, drop a comment below. That's it, guys. That's the update. Got brand new front end. Just needs to be paint matched and put on. Oh, yes, I am looking for the OEM HR taillights. So if you guys know anybody who has a set, let me know, because these are DE smoked. I don't like that. I might be keeping the smoke turn signals. I'm not sure. I kind of dig it. And the exhaust is going away. It's stupid loud. It's got test pipes and then some HKS replicated replica catback with a resonated Y pipe. So it sounds good sitting still. Inside has a little bit of rasps to it, but I'm gonna get the Tomei catback with an XY motor dyne resonated Y pipe. I'm gonna keep the test pipes on there. It does have a flash tune along with a plenum spacer, so it's halfway done right. But there it is, guys. Should I keep it this color or should I repaint it a completely different color? Let me know. See you guys on the next one.